He smiles wide, 'cause he's the center of attention now, and he feels good about it. And she takes a bow, 'cause she's the center of attention now, and she feels good about it. But I'm avoiding eyes every time that I'm out, 'cause it's scary being seen in daylight. Like if they're looking close, then maybe they might see right through me, see right through me. And I don't know why I just can't have it, what everybody seems to take for granted. Wondering if I'm from another planet, somewhere far away. I might as well be on the moon, probably be as confused as any other afternoon, freaking out here in my living room. I might as well be on the moon, never really get used to the things that everybody else do. I might as well be on the moon. They're having fun without worrying about looking dumb. They feel alive instead of feeling numb. And I wonder what that would feel like. I wonder what that would feel like. It must be nice. But I'm avoiding eyes every time that I'm out, 'cause it's scary being seen in daylight. Like if they're looking close, then maybe they might see right through me, see right through me. And I don't know why I just can't have it, what everybody seems to take for granted. Wondering if I'm from another planet, somewhere far away. I might as well be on the moon, probably be as confused as any other afternoon, freaking out here in my living room. I might as well be on the moon, never really get used to the things that everybody else do. Might as well be on the moon, might as well be on the moon. Feels like something's got a hold on me, don't know why it won't let go of me. Always really getting so lonely, feeling like.
Y'all, so I'm obviously finished on this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Shein. Shout out to you, Shein, for coming through with the come through. They not only came through with this wig, but they also came through with another wig, and honey, they are very similar, so hopefully I'm not getting them confused. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, this unit is their short pixie cut wig, human hair, cheap, put on and go, glueless human hair wig for women, beginner friendly, daily use, machine made, natural black color. So the color is natural black, the density is 130%, and the length is 3 inches. Now the other unit is also a natural black, and I should have it on the screen or somewhere that you guys can see it. It's also a natural black color, and it's 150% density, and it is 4 inches. So literally one of them is thicker and longer than the other. But honey, to me they look very, very similar. It just seems like the other unit is more shaggier in the front, like, you know, just more, a little more density. Now, these units are extremely affordable, girl. Like, click down below and see like how affordable these units are. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and pull up this one. So on the site, it says this unit is $20, honey. Okay, you heard me right, $20, and it's a human hair wig. Like, Shein be coming through with the come through, okay, girl. And like I said, I have 2 other videos that I'm doing as well. All of these units will be affordable. Like, they did not come to play, honey. And you guys know I live for a good short pixie cut, honey. Your girl will rock a pixie, and typically this is my go-to style of pixie, honey. It gives me a little bit of that 90s Halle Berry, Toni Braxton sort of feel, honey. Okay, so yeah, As far as shedding and tangling, there's none. I feel like you can make this unit work across the board. It does have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. I feel like across the board you can make this unit work, and like I said, it's super affordable, and you can mess with the bangs and style it or cut it or all the other things. And I love that it lays pretty flat in the back as well. Like, honey, I am not mad at this unit whatsoever. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. I'm gonna give you guys my pros and cons towards the full 360. And we can wrap this thing up. So if you are interested in those things, then please continue to watch. All right, as far as the cons, I really couldn't think of any, so I'm just gonna say it's not a laced wig, and that's really not a con for me. This is the ultimate throw on and go. But I wanted to give you guys cons, so that's gonna be it, y'all. Now, as far as the pros, girl, I love the length, I love the styling, I love how it lays in the back, and that is with both units. Like, I love how easy they both are to just throw it on and keep it moving, girl. I love that for me, because you know your girl is lazy. And these are very similar units, and of course I love the price. So not only are you lazy girl friendly, but you broke girl friendly too. Love that for me. Okay, so yeah. Obviously, I would recommend this unit. You cannot go wrong with the price on this wig. Like, you can't go wrong with anything when it comes to this unit, in my opinion. So yes, I would definitely recommend it. All right, y'all, I'm gonna give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, I am really feeling these units. Y'all let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Sound off down below in the comments. Once again, shout out to you, Shein, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not 1 red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Your love completely got every style.